Okay, this one is not going to be hard at all. Just make sure that you keep your notes for your test so you can remember what to do, because there really is no reason to miss these on the test. CC.7, write a formula for a geometric sequence. So what we're going to do, you're going to have two boxes every single time on this. The first box is going to be your whatever your first term is. So in this case, it's going to be 2. On this one, you're going to pick two of the numbers that are next to each other, basically the first and the second one. You're going to put the right one over the left one. So 8 over 2, which is 4. So 4 is going to go there. And that is all you do every single time on these problems. So this one is going to be 31, and then negative 62 over 31 is negative 2. So negative 2 goes in there. Basically, you're multiplying 31 by negative 2. You're multiplying negative 62 by negative 2 to be able to get the next answer and the next answer and the next answer. So this one is going to be negative 13, and this is going to be 39 over negative 13, which is negative 3, so negative 3. So what that's saying is every term is being multiplied by negative 3 to get to the next term. $509 over 5, and whenever I've been dividing by the left, which means 509 over 5 times 1 over 509, and those will cancel out, and it's 1 over 5. Now listen to me carefully. Whenever I did this earlier on the computer, just to make sure I know what I'm talking about and stuff, I put 0.2 in here because 0.2 is the same exact thing as 1 over 5. But whenever it says use proper fractions, it is not going to allow 0.2. So you must put the fraction for you to be able to get it right. 7.69, 38.45 over 7.69. Don't have a clue, but it's probably 30, or it's probably 5. Looky there. 2, 3 over 2. That does not reduce, so 3 over 2 is that one. The formula is negative 412. Negative 412 over negative 206 is a positive 2. So this is basically why we're doing this, is to be able to figure any number in the whole wide world if this formula is being used. So I'm looking for the 6th term. So this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. I'm trying to find out what would go in that right there whenever I am multiplying by 2 every single time, but that is not correct because this is negative 206 over negative 412, which is 1/2, because they're getting smaller and smaller and smaller, right? Okay, so negative 412 times 1 over 2 to the 6 minus 1. Negative 412 times 1 over 2 to the 5. Negative 412 times 1 over 32. 412 over 32. Negative 103 over 8.